How to see first chat on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to see the first chat on Messenger, what you can simply do is just go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for Tap Scroll application over here and download it. After downloaded it, tap it open and then give this accessibility of the service over here. Now before that, you just have to turn on this option and then give the permission to accessibility service and then tap on agree. Then make sure that you have given this accessibility over here. After that, all you have to do is go back to your messenger, and as you tap on messenger application, tap on any of the chat where you want to see the first chat over here. Now all you have to do is tap on this screen over here at the top for some time. 2 to 3 times would be fine, and after that you'll be able to see the first message over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.